been almost a year now since Kara Akins was murdered. The man charged in the case is her ex-boyfriend, former Chattanooga police officer Lawrence Goodine. Today, her family brought suit against the city for wrongful death.
Akins' family says had Goodine been arrested after violating the no-contact order, she would still be alive. Xavier Harris says the family hopes they can get some form of justice.
In my hand is that 7-page, $5 million lawsuit where the family of Kara Akins is suing not only Lawrence Goodine, but the city of Chattanooga as well as the Chattanooga Police Department. They say because he is a former CPD officer, a lot of her phone calls weren't taken seriously, even though they were under a no-contact order.
The city and its police department should have prevented the murder of this lady.
That murder happened in November of 2023. Lawrence Goodine, who is a former Chattanooga police officer, was charged with first-degree murder. Leading up to her murder, according to court documents, Kara Akins was granted a no-contact order against Goodine on October 3rd.
Ms. Akins called the police department on several occasions to complain about Goodine coming around her.
And do you believe because Mr. Goodine is a former Chattanooga police officer, that's why a lot of that negligence happened as it relates to that no contact order?
And Ms. Akins told her family that she thought Goodine was getting preferential treatment because he used to be a member of the Chattanooga Police Department. That's something we'll have to prove at trial.
The family's attorney, Mike Richardson, recalls one of those times that led to that no contact order.
6 weeks before she was murdered, Ms. Akins had called the police department and complained that Goodine had broken into her house and was assaulting her.
As of right now, Richardson says he is focused on making sure all evidence is brought to light.
We've not yet been able to get the 911 and the Chattanooga Police Department phone records because we had not had a lawsuit pending and could not issue subpoenas or discovery requests.
He adds since the murder, the Chattanooga Police Department has not been helpful to her family in providing evidence.
The victim, Ms. Akins' cell phone, was actually confiscated by the Chattanooga Police Department, and they have refused to release it to the family. And so we won't be able to get that until now we have filed this lawsuit.
I spoke with Kara Akins' family, and they say it's been painful seeing how slow the wheel of justice is turning. Now, as for Goodine, he is due back in court on December 4th, and the family is hoping then a trial date is set. Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Xavier Harris, Local 3 News.